Hello everyone, this is Property Management Systems. We are here at 11790 Southwest 129th Avenue. We're gonna walk you through this home. Here's a nice big front yard. Right in front of the home, we have a fenced backyard in the back as well. Entryway right there on the right. 2 parking spaces right here in front of the 2-car garage. We're gonna walk in. Nice, beautiful, open entryway. We walk in here and there's a storage closet on the left. Nice big entryway, lots of daylight. To the right, we have a great room. Again, large windows, natural light. We have carpet in the living room area. Nice space, looks out on your deck. You can walk into the kitchen from this side or on the other side as well when you walk into the entryway. Lots of counter space and cabinets. We have our crew outside working on finishing the deck today, so you'll see them throughout this video a little bit. But everywhere inside of the kitchen and the dining area, you can enjoy your beautiful backyard, which is nice. Again, lots of natural daylight. Give you a little peek of the backyard here. We have another living room space, pantry right here real quick. Pantry. And then we have another living room area downstairs right here. Nice open layout with a wood fireplace. And then another storage closet right here. Laundry room with a little half bath. And then this door takes you to the 2-car garage. Lots of space here. And then we'll walk you upstairs. Upstairs is all of the bedrooms. It is also carpet upstairs. To the right, we go to the master bedroom, which faces the large backyard. Again, nice big windows, little storage space up there. You walk through here, and there is his and hers closet with lots of shelf space. Double sinks. Jet's bathtub. And then we have the full shower and toilet in the master. Through this hallway, tall ceilings up here. Through this hallway on the left, we have the other full bath. Nice linen closet. The second bedroom, which faces the front of the home. Closet. And then the third bedroom, which faces the front of the home. Again, 11790 Southwest 129th Place. Please apply online at ripportlandhomes.com.